What's good, everyone? This is the Crypto Captain, back with a new episode, keeping you updated on the market, so let's get right into it. So today I wanted to upload an update on the KASPA price action at the moment, because it's getting very interesting, and people saw there was a lot of movement in the last 3 weeks, and KASPA was retesting the 11 cents resistance band, and what we've seen is a small retracement. KASPA in the last 4 days has gone down to my support level at 8.3 cents roughly, and we saw a lot of buying pressure, as you can see on this green wick, and we've actually reversed to the upside, the next resistance at 9.78 cents. So it's looking to me as a possible lower high. So it's looking like my strong support level at 8.3 cents held KASPA strongly, and there was a lot of buying pressure here, as you can see. This is a bullish candle right here, and as you can see, we've boosted up to this next resistance level. If KASPA breaks clean on the daily above this level, we're looking for continuation of this uptrend to continue past the 11 cents resistance line, hopefully, and then we can see perhaps the next short-term top at roughly 13 cents before perhaps short consolidation to back to 11 cents before continuing higher to retest the all-time high, and from there we'll see and update what happens. But for now, we've seen that KASPA's had its double bottom here at roughly 5.7 cents, and we're seeing the uptrend form and a lot of buying pressure being seen in the market. And if we continue this bullish uptrend, we're going to continue going higher, and the main thing is seeing if we can pass this 11 cents range, 11 cents to 8.4 cents range. We may consolidate or chop alongside here, which would be bullish for a continuation. Buying pressure will continue and we go higher as Bitcoin goes to retest its all-time high in the next months. For me, the fact that KASPA is not retracing back to the lows seen previously 3 weeks ago and is actually pumping off the 8.3 cent support level shows that there's a lot of strength being shown by KASPA right now after this long period of consolidation for 4 months, and I feel like there's a sudden shift that's happening, and with the 10 pps upgrade coming very soon on the 5th of May, things could get even more parabolic for KASPA, with more investors paying more attention to this asset and the upcoming altcoin season that I believe will happen later this year, perhaps in the next months even. This shift in momentum in KASPA's price action in the last 3 weeks can be evident by using the Heiken Ashi candles, showing you all this buying pressure presented here and an uptrend being formed. And on the daily we can see a doji candle being formed. Now this means uncertainty in the market, but we've seen here that there's buying pressure from this wick that was bought up quickly from investors and traders. And we could possibly see now a continuation up to the resistance of 11 cents. I think the Heiken Ashi candles are a very useful tool to see the changes in momentum in price and the overall volume being shown in the market. If we look on the weekly candles, you can see that in the last 3 weeks, of course, we've seen a lot of buying pressure, and on this week we've had a small red candle, but this candle here indicates that we're seeing a lot of buying pressure which is bullish and a good indicator for continuation in the uptrend possibly. Even if KASPA chops from a range of 7.6 cents roughly to 11 cents, I believe that we've seen the bottom and we will continue an uptrend higher as we see Bitcoin continue its move up to all-time high and then price discovery after a consolidation period. As you can see on the monthly time frame, on a longer time frame, KASPA is on its second month in the green, and as you can see from the chart, when KASPA has its green candles in the past on the monthly, it's been very vicious moves when things have gone well for KASPA with buying pressure, and potentially the third monthly candle could be very big for KASPA, and we could see a surge on the upside when things go well in the market and all the conditions are met. With Bitcoin making a new all-time high, we could definitely see KASPA's monthly candle push to 14 cents, 17 cents. When it moves fast in good conditions, it moves pretty fast. So it's important to have that reminder that when things seem like they aren't going well for KASPA, literally in 1 month KASPA can pump to the upside 100-200%, and it may happen when people least expect it. And at the moment, CoinMarketCap is showing me that the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is 51, which is straight in the middle score of being neutral. So this is a good sign, and we've surpassed the 20 extreme fear period, and is showing that there's an upside with the Fear and Greed Index, and this usually continues up to the extreme greed period. I think the upcoming next 3 months are going to be very big for crypto, and there's going to be a lot of momentum shift for the whole entire market and Bitcoin, seeing perhaps a new all-time high within this next 3 months before a large consolidation, retracement, and after that perhaps another rally to the upside for blow off top. Until then, it's very important to keep a close eye on the markets and keep up to date with current news and the market conditions. Thank you for tuning in today's episode. If you've liked the content today, please remember to like and subscribe for more regular updates on the market, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.